Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT, and let me share with you how to change the language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages, so the second option, and tap on system languages at the top. Now, let's simply tap on Add a language and find the language that you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it. Now, we have to either choose the option to set as default, so apply our new language immediately, or stay current, so our language will be added to the previous list. However, it will not be changed. So I highly recommend to simply tap on this first option, set as default. And as you can see, after getting back, we've got our new language applied, and it is also at the top of the list. And from now on, obviously, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added right here, all you have to do to change them is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. So I'll apply English. Now, simply to confirm, just tap on this right option, the option which is on the right, and we've got English applied. If you'd like to remove the languages, tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove, and mark the languages that you'd like to delete. And tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.